In today's video, I'm going to show you how to collect the birthday properties and also create the birthday flow in Klaviyo. So after auditing several e-commerce stores, I see that a lot of e-commerce brands don't have the birthday flow set up, which means they are leaving a whole lot of money on the table. So I want you to think about it this way. I have a birthday, you have a birthday, and same as your customers, everybody has a birthday. So collecting birthday information from your customers and sending them a personalized message on their birthday, they're going to appreciate this a lot. And also, if you send them a very good message, with a discount code or maybe a special gift for them, they're going to use this code to buy something from you. And that means more sales and profits for your business. So like I said, I'm going to show you how to collect the birthday properties and set up the birthday flow and automate the entire process. So without further ado, let's dive in. So the first thing we're going to be doing here is collecting the birthday properties. So to collect birthday properties from your customers, there are a couple of ways to do that. You can use the pop-up form, the campaigns, and post-purchase flow. I'm going to be showing you how to do that in this video. I'm going to be showing you everything. To be able to send birthday emails to your customers, you need the birthday information. So you need their birth dates, basically. So like I said, I'm going to be showing you that here. Now let's start with using the pop-up form. So to do that, you basically want to go to sign-up forms here in your Klaviyo. And you will see a couple of them here. You will see discount code, email, SMS, and all of that. But there's one here that you can use, which is this one here, the one that's basically asking for birthday information. So you can simply use this one and use it to collect your birthday information. But let me show you another one we prefer to use for our clients. And it's this one here, basically the multi-step form. So this is an example of what that looks like. So basically on this form, we're saying, hey, would you like to save 15% off or your first order, something like that? And if this person said yes, it's going to ask for their email address, right? So enter your email below to receive your 15% discount code. So if they click on send me the discount code, it's going to show this next one, which is basically, saying, do you want an extra 10% off, for SMS? So here we are using this one to collect phone numbers. So this is for SMS. So we're basically giving them an extra 10% off to give us their phone number, basically. And the next page is where we ask for the birthday information. So you can see here it says there's a birthday treat with your name on it. So this one is where we are collecting the birth date. So you can either use this single form, which is basically the one collecting at the birthday directly, or use this multi-step form. So this is the one we prefer to use. So we are collecting emails, phone numbers, and the birthday information in one single form. So if you're doing this for the first time, you won't see this birthday property there. It won't be there. You have to create a new one. So click on add block, and it's this one here that says date. So you want to drag that here and configure that. Here, you want to have the placeholder. So for this placeholder, you can leave it as month/date. There are a couple of options. There's one with month, date, and year. You can see custom property. I have different properties here. But for you have to create a new property, and it's going to be birthday. And the date format, like I said, it could be month, date, or year, any of this. But to make things simple for the customers, just leave it at month and date. So that's basically how to configure that and collect the birthday information. And if they click on this, send me a treat on my birthday, that's just going to configure and that's going to register the birthday information to the person's profile. So to create the second one is a very similar process. So let's say I want to do that here. So I'm going to click on create form, and here you will see it's going to be the same process. You want to collect the birthday information. But the only difference between this one and the multi-step form is that we're going to be asking them for email address here as well. So this is what that looks like. Here, we want to ask for the birth date. So you can see here, it is the same process. We want to ask for the birthday information and ask for the email, because without the email address, you won't be able to register the birthday. So you basically want to ask for email and birthday. We are creating a separate form. But we are using a multi-step form. You've collected the email address in the first page, right? And that's already going to be registered to the person's email, basically. So that's how to use the form to collect the birthday information. So the next one we're going to be doing is using campaigns. So one of the ways we like to do this is, basically sending a campaign out to customers. So these are the example of what that email looks like. right? So you can see when is your birthday. We'd like to send you a special gift on your birthday. So to create this is very simple. You're just gonna do it like the same way you send in a campaign, and you're just gonna send this campaign out to customers, telling them to give you their birthday. So when they click on this email, it's gonna show them a page, asking them to give you their birthday information. So this is an example of what that looks like. This is a campaign here. If you click on this campaign, it's gonna take you to this page. So the page is asking you to fill in your email, your name in some cases, and also the birthday. So I'm going to show you how to set up this form in a minute. I just wanted to show you what the campaign looks like. And another way to do that is, using a post-purchase flow. So you can easily take this same email campaign that you send out to customers and have it in your post-purchase flow. So this is going to help you, automate the birthday collection, right? So here's an example of what that looks like. So you can see in this email, so this is one of our post-purchase emails, and one of the emails in this flow is the birthday email. So you can see that here it's saying, tell us your birthday, we have a gift for you. So it's the same email campaign that we sent out. We now put the same email in the post-purchase flow so we can automate the process. And we are just collecting this birthday email information from customers using the post-purchase flow. So that's the three ways to do this, using the pop-up form, using the campaign, and also using the flow. So to collect this information using the campaign and the flow, you have to set up a form, a subscribe form. So there are two ways to do this. You can either create a landing page and embed this form on the landing page, as you can see in this example here. It's saying there's a birthday treat with your name on it. So this is an example of using a landing page. So you can easily build a landing page like this and embed a form on Klaviyo. So to do that, you basically want to follow the same steps like we did for the pop-up. Go to your sign up forms, then click on create form. But in this case, you're going to be using embedded form specifically. So it's going to be an embedded form and not a pop-up form. And you can just configure the form like I showed you for the pop-up and embed that form on a landing page like this one. But I'm going to show you another simple way to do it, without needing any external landing page. So you remember in the email campaign that I showed you earlier, somebody received this email campaign or the flow, and they click on this button, it's going to take them to a page like this one, basically asking them to enter their email, name, and birthday. So I'm going to show you how to create a simple form like this. The easiest way to do that is basically go to list and segment and create a new list. So I'm just going to create an example list here. So I'm going to name it birthday. I just want to click on create list. You just want to go to subscribe. Here you want to set up subscribe page. Here you're going to say go to default pages or customize for this list. So I'm just going to click on the one customize for this list. And here I'm going to click on subscribe page. So you're going to be edit page. And here you can see this is where we can now start configuring the page. So you can also add your logo at the top if you want. You can add your logo here. Then you can configure the message however you want it. You can something like tell us your birthday. We have a special gift for you. And the next thing we want to do is we want to add the birthday block here. So you can add back to block. Click on add blocks. And the same thing we did for the pop-up form, you just want to drag that here. Profile property is going to be birthday. We'll leave the month and date the way I showed you earlier. And yeah, you can customize the buttons however you want it. You can put your logo. And the confirmation page, you can also change the message to the, thank you for giving us your birthday information. We're going to send you a birthday gift on your birthday. But something you must do for this form, you don't forget to remove the double opt-in. So you want to go to settings, go to consent, and ensure that you change it to single opt-in, right? So just do that, configure the form as you prefer, and that's how you can collect birthday information using Klaviyo subscribe page. The next thing we're going to be doing is creating the birthday flow itself. So this is where we're going to automate sending the birthday emails to customers on their birthday. And to do this very simple, you basically want to go to your flows. So you want to click on create flows, and there you want to search for birthday. So you will see the klaviyo birthday. So there are two types here. We have the standard and we have the standard email address, email and SMS. Actually, it's three. And we have the countdown to birthday series. So basically, the standard one is just sending a birthday email, and the happy birthday standard email and SMS is sending email and SMS to customers on their birthday. And this third one is actually countdown to birthday series. So basically what this means is that you are sending an email before the actual birthday. So this is more than one email. I'm going to show you the difference between both. But let's start with the standard one. So the standard one is basically, like I said, you are just, sending a single email to people on their birthday. So here you can see the trigger is birthday, and you just want to click on create flow, and that's how we can configure that. I'm not going to go deep into the actual email, but if you want to see the actual email as well as the creating template, I'm going to leave a link to my Profit Accelerator email template. So in this email template, we see the birthday email, we see the templates there, the creating template, and also some examples of this birthday email. But to configure this email, it's very simple. You just want to make sure that you are collecting the birthday property. And as you can see here, the trigger is date property is birthday, starting time on date property, and local time 8 a.m. So you can change this to however you want it. So let me click on edit. So you can see here it's saying on date property value, you can change the time, but I prefer to just keep it like this, the way Klaviyo gave us. That's how to set up the standard one. But if you want to create a more complex one, should I say, you can use the countdown to birthday series. So it's a very similar process. The only difference is that you're sending emails to people before the actual birthday. So again, you want to make sure that the trigger, which is the birthday trigger, is already working, you're already collecting birthday information from customers. If you don't see this trigger here, it means two things. It means that you haven't started collecting birthday information from customers, meaning people haven't given you their birthday information yet. No profile has been registered for that. Or maybe because you didn't set up the birthday collection form very well. Either one of those two things. But if you have these two things set up, you see the birthday here, it's going to show here on the trigger. I just want to create flow. So like I said, this one is specifically sending email before the actual birthday. So the trigger is the same, but the difference is that the start time is 2 weeks before date property. I'm going to edit this one. 2 weeks is too much, and I'm just going to change that to 2 days before the date property value, and I can leave the sending time the same. Monday to Sunday, everything is the same, and it's going to be yearly. So I'm going to save that. So this one, as you can see, we have the first email, which is 2 days before the actual person's birthday. So it's a simple email saying, your birthday is coming in 2 days and we want to send you a special gift before your birthday. So that's the first email. And here you can see wait until person's birthday. And it's going to send them another email on their birthday, something like happy birthday first name. And here we can tell them like, hey, today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. We hope you're having fun. And we're going to remind them of the discount code we sent them 2 days before. Something like we sent you your birthday gift 2 days ago. We hope we hope you like it, something along those lines. Then on the third day, so basically this is just the one that we use to remind people who haven't used the birthday. So here after 1 day, we have a conditional split saying, place order at least once in starting this flow. And if they have used the discount code, we are not going to send them any email. But if they haven't used the code yet, we're going to use this email to remind them that we send them a birthday gift, and they should go ahead to use the discount code before the code expires. And so that's how to collect the birthday properties and send the birthday flows, and also send birthday email to customers on their birthday. And like I said, if you want to see examples of this birthday email and also some creating templates, you can click the link in the description of this video. It's going to take you to a page where you can access my complete Profit Accelerator email template. This template contains all the emails your e-commerce store needs, and there you're going to see the birthday email, and you can use this email template to create your birthday email flows. So that'll be all for this video. If you find the video valuable, please like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any question, you can leave them in the comment section below. And I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.